Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. I'm looking at a Hamworthy Dorchester today. Up here we have the hot water outlet. Down here we have the cold inlet. Down here we have the secondary return. The drain point there as well. Over here we have the flue safety thermostat, the temperature stat here. It's a reset, there's like a reset button there as well. Also on here we have the PCB here. Come down here and we have the reset button. Can make our temperature adjustments here. The moment is set to 60 Celsius on number 3. Down here we have our frost stat on the right. In the center we have the safety thermostat. And on the left we have the high limit thermostat. We have our inspection point here. We take this panel off and we go inside, we can inspect. So our gas valve, our solenoid, our test point, burner manifold, another test point here. It's a hot surface igniter that we have inside here. Inside here we have your frost thermostat and your safety thermostat. Or should I say control thermostat. So we have our frost thermostat and our control thermostat in here. Above, when we go above, what we have inside here is our safety thermostat sensor and our high limit thermostat sensor. Okay, thank you for joining me. Until next time, bye bye bye.